This is the hair and makeup look a little bit up close. Comfy shoes, #1 rule. Eating healthy is an integral part of Fashion Week. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new week, but it's not just any week, New York Fashion Week. In today's video, I'm taking you guys kind of along for New York Fashion Week through my eyes a little bit. I'll be showing you my outfits, my hair and my makeup, and some of my favorite shows from the week, the standout ones for me. I'm also very excited to be partnering with Bumble & Bumble for this video. I've been a customer of theirs and going to their salons here in New York, keeping my tresses in check for like 2 years. So it's gonna be a fun one. We're kind of running late, but there's a couple of things I need to do. I need to finish off my outfit. This is the hair and makeup look a little bit up close, just kind of soft, smoky, and like I said, those big curls. I've been loving kind of turban styles lately, and it's just a really easy one. It keeps the hair out of my face. So yeah, if you want to see how to recreate it, I got you, because I did an Instagram video tutorial kind of showing like the tools I use to do it, the products I like, because I do like to keep my hairstyle for a couple of days. I like it to last, so hopefully you'll find that helpful. I'll leave it in the description. Just a simple YSL clutch and quite a monochrome outfit overall, but I feel like it's all about the hair and the hair accessories for this one. I actually did a video earlier on in the week if you want to check it out, sort of planning my Fashion Week outfits and how I plan my outfits in general. Yeah, I kind of just chat through everything in detail there, where everything is from. My Uber chariot awaits. The first show of the day is self-portrait, which I'm super excited about. Self-portrait is a crowd pleaser. I feel like every woman loves something from their collection, so I'm excited. First location, Chelsea. Show down, successful, and I have to say the lead designer for self-portrait, he looks like the sweetest guy I've ever seen. Purcell, Lim was there, Camilla, Quelho, and a couple of others. No shame, couldn't resist, had to get that selfie with them. So really nice experience meeting them in person. I've got my New York City weekly vlog to edit, so I gotta get back and do some work. First coffee of Fashion Week. Oh, hi there. The next day, it's New York Fashion Week day 2, and my hair is looking a little sad. I actually worked out once I got home yesterday, so it's all sweaty and gross, but it's fine. I'm gonna wash it because I'm going for a different look today anyway with my outfit, and I've actually got a little bit of extra time to get ready today, so perfect opportunity to finally try the BB Color Gloss, which is a brand new product. It's supposed to revive your highlights like a gloss does, and also add like a bunch of shine. My ends aren't looking too bad because I still have product in from yesterday. The first one that works for me is the clear, which is going to be super helpful for when I've just gotten my hair done, just to preserve that like custom color that I get done by Anastasia at the Uptown Bumble & Bumble salon. But because I haven't been in 2 months, I'm going to need a bit more than that, and I'm going to use the Cool Blonde today. For the Cool Blonde, you only need to leave it on for 3 or 4 minutes on dry hair. I'll be brushing it through for best results with a plastic brush that's easy to clean. Comes with rubber gloves, which says to me that there's going to be awesome pigment in this. And then all you do is shampoo and condition it out. So I'll be using 2 of my favorite products for that. The Bumble & Bumble Invisible Oil Cleansing Oil Cream Duo, which is sulfate free. It doesn't lather, so it's really great at preserving colour. And then because my ends are dry, I'll be using the Quenching conditioner. And voila, I am back. Really clung to those super light highlights that I had and really brightened them up. And as you can see, it's definitely added some shine as well. Getting pumped, you guys, almost ready to leave. I needed some additional lighting help because it is an absolutely miserable pitch black day outside. It's raining. Busting open my show invite for Mansour. This is one of my absolute favorite contemporary brands You can even see from the invite they've got away with colour, and I'm hoping to see more of what I love from them. So lots of kind of tonal layering. They kind of pick a colour and they vary the tonality of a little bit, and it's just so soft and beautiful, and I can't wait. Fashion design grad in me is quietly screaming. Very, very thankful to Bumble for giving me this ticket. Comfy shoes, #1 rule for Fashion Week. Decided on my neutral coloured Stan Smiths. I just moved the light so you guys can see what I'm wearing a little bit better, but I always think when you're going to a show, especially if it's just one for the day, it's nice to sort of dress inspired by the collection. So yeah, I'm going for a very minimal style outfit. I'll probably wear it more like this when I get to the show, because Fashion Week is all about that, like wearing things so awkward and not how you would in real life at all. So, you know, you gotta work it, you gotta give it a bit of this. Yeah, that's the look. Instagrammer extraordinaire Eric Jess brought me to this really cute cafe, Sal Rose, in the Lower East Side. So I came back, I got a coffee because I've been low-key obsessed with it ever since. Such a good people watching spot. It's really small and compact, but it has these gorgeous like French antiqued interiors. It's pretty cool in here. Just burning some time the best way I know how. Made it to the venue. I've actually been here before for a show and it's one of my favorite spaces, so I got my seat, waiting for the show to start. Was fun, and even in the rain there were so many photographers outside, and the bigger the show, the more paps I guess there is to catch all the street style. Yeah, I got my picture taken, so hopefully some of them will make it to the internet. Vogue Japan stopped and took my picture, and they are really, really good at putting street style online, so hopefully we'll see it online at some point. And I just realized I forgot to put on mascara today, but whatever, it's a vibe, I'm rolling with it. Good morning, it is the last day of Fashion Week and I'm gonna get ready. Last night I saved so many eyeliner inspirations. I think I'm gonna try something fun, see how it goes. I mean, I can always just take it off if it doesn't, and I've got a great idea for what I want to do with my hair. Finally finished getting ready, always late as usual, but this is the final look. I decided to slick back my hair, which I love. I've got nice big hoops on to match my bag, which I'll show you in a second. Then the eyeliner I had loads of fun doing. I kind of did this runway inspired, I guess, Fashion Week eyeliner look. And honestly, I think it's quite wearable. Like, if you're not gonna have fun at Fashion Week, when are you? Before I head out the door, I'm gonna spritz a little bit of this in. It's been in my kit for a very long time, probably about a year, and I didn't get a chance to mention it earlier in the week, but I have been using it in my ends all week long, because basically what it does is it's a dry oil finishing spray. So if you have dry ends and they're frizzy and when you style your hair, it just doesn't seem to come together, like they're all very split looking. This is amazing, and it's a lot less messy than oil and more lightweight. So that's why I like it. I feel like by the end of the day, when I look at my hair, like on day one of this video, oh my god, like my ends were so fluffy and defined and beautiful and like frizz free. So that's my little secret. Also, didn't have much time, so ran out to get a really quick lunch before I go. Eating healthy is an integral part of Fashion Week. So sorry, this mirror is getting dirtier and dirtier as the week is going on. I don't know what, it's just an absolute dust magnet, but this is what I'm wearing. I just changed from heeled boots to my trainers, because you know what, it's a bit more me, and the whole point of Fashion Week is that you know, you have fun with your personal style, but still kind of keep true to yourself. So yeah, it's a good one for running around in. Plain t-shirt, Max Mara shearling jacket. I've got a presentation and the Zadig and Voltaire show today, so I might show you the presentation as well. I'll see if I remember or if it's interesting enough. Gotta go all the way down to Hudson Yards. Backstage is actually pretty chill. I think all of the backstages I've been in so far haven't been as crazy as ones I've been to previously. Everyone seems to be on top of their game, and really nice hairstyles coming from Bumble and Bumble too. I've been seeing so many fun hair accessories. It's almost kind of like a bit of a grungy glam rock vibe. Just saw Victoria's Secret Stella Maxwell getting her makeup done. Golden hour, it's absolutely beautiful outside. I mean, sunglasses would have been wise, but I can't hide this eyeliner. Are you kidding me? The thing I love about Zadig is everything is so wearable. It's very model off duty, and I guess that's how I try to dress today. Well guys, just step back onto the Upper East Side, which means this video is coming to a close. A really massive, heartfelt thank you to Bumble and Bumble for letting me join in on the experience and allowing me free reign to kind of just show you New York Fashion Week through my eyes, and hopefully give you guys a bit of a unique experience. I narrowed it down to my top 3 shows because I didn't want things to be too repetitive or too boring. So I genuinely hope you guys enjoyed coming along. So if you want to see more of me and more of New York, don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a lot of that for a start, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.